It was a very wild weekend for cryptocurrency, and apparently Terraform Labs in South Korea is under investigation. Bitcoin is pumping, and we also have some very bullish news for Cardano and XRP. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to smash that like, set alerts, follow me on Twitter and TikTok for more. Before we get started with the crypto news, I want to take this time to say Happy Memorial Day and thank everybody who laid it all down for us for our freedom. And I also want to thank those that are currently serving, the good guys. I have 2 cousins deployed overseas and I'm sending them my love. This is a current view of altcoins. I have no idea what those 2 cryptocurrencies are, but it looks like we are still seeing a sea of red. And that probably has to do with MSB consolidating at approximately $31,000 to $28,500. And yes, I know we can probably denote a tighter range at approximately $30,500, but I really like that 31.4 area because it denotes a weekly close area. And for me, I just want to see a breakout or a breakdown. I'm just going to be chilling a lot this summer, taking short-term trades here and there. Now the boring stuff. Crypto exchange Binance to tighten KYC controls and sanctions enforcement with new tech partnerships. So they're going to be working with 2 big tech companies to help with their KYC and with potential sanctions. Even though this is very standard practice, the reason why I wanted to talk about this story is to remind you, not your keys, not your coins. If you're using any crypto exchange, you are at risk. If something happens with the exchange or they just don't like you or there's a confusion, whatever it is, they can hold your funds and you can lose it all. Cold storage is king, and I highly recommend you learn how to use it. We also have a Wendy's white paper on this, which is 100% free. The link is going to be down below. Now let's talk about Terra Luna. So, South Korean prosecutors launched an investigation on all Terraform Labs employees following the UST collapse. They want to know if Do Kwon manipulated prices and if he had anything to do with the collapse. They will be looking at marketing materials, and they will also be freezing any LFG assets at any of the centralized exchanges in South Korea. I'm not sure if they have jurisdiction outside of that. We know that exchanges are supporting Luna, and the reason why they're supporting Luna 2.0 is because a lot of people lost money. So just please be very careful if you're interested in trading or investing in Terra Luna 2.0. I do not think it will end well, but I also support your decision to do what you want with your money. Next, Iagon Ethereum Cardano bridge launches for USDC transfers. Key piece of information here, the 3 projects, Ethereum, Cardano, and USDC. The reason why they chose USDC is very comforting. As you guys know, I think USDC is going to be the CBDC of the United States. According to the article, USDC and ERC20 IAG tokens can now be bridged from Ethereum to Cardano network through Iagon's cross-chain bridge powered by Milkometa sidechain. This also marks $119 million entering Cardano's DeFi ecosystem, which is all due to their smart contract capability. And lastly, the Cardano network is setting up for the scalability-focused Vassal hardwork public testnet for early June. Again, I do think that Cardano has the ability to directly compete with Ethereum and Solana. I'm personally excited to see how this will play out, and yes, I do hold Cardano, Ethereum, and Solana. And of course, we've got some amazing news for Ripple. Ripple partner Noom successfully expands into Southeast Asia thanks to RippleNet. Yes, I know XRP Army, Ripple and XRP are 2 separate entities. Because of RippleNet, this is allowing for America to have access to Southeast Asia for money remittances. This is good because it's allowing people to send money back and forth for affordable cost and faster. I think oftentimes we take for granted how easy we have things in the United States as opposed to some other smaller countries, especially those that don't have to send money back and forth to their families out of the country. I'm just here to see people improve their quality of life, and I'm with it. Last but not least, Ethereum. Well, I actually want to show you this funny picture. This was me on a boat yesterday. I caught a really big sheephead. It was super fun, and yes, I did release it because we were not going to eat it. But now, why this bear market, bear cycle, whatever, might be different than the times before. And that's simply due to Ethereum 2.0. And now some stats from AMD Crypto. Apparently, approximately 10% of Ethereum's circulating supply is staked in Ethereum 2.0. And the staking rate hit 10.72% over the weekend. Ethereum also reclaimed a $230 billion market cap on Monday today. Okay, so this is really great news, but let's talk about a couple things. the positive aspect of this much money being locked up in Ethereum 2.0. I do think that Ethereum, NFTs, and some other protocols kind of offset this bear market or bear cycle, well, at least prolonged it from occurring because there's so much money that stayed in the market. But at the same time, when you look at Ethereum's market cap, the stats and the numbers on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, it has an infinite supply. So we really don't know how much Ethereum is there. Some people will argue and say that there's a supply, etc., but when you check, it's not there. See what I mean? Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a really great day with your family. Also, too, remember to call your mom. She probably needs to hear from you. Bye-bye.